Welcome to my channel. My name is Ron Reed and I'm from Canada. And I love comfort food. So this channel is about comfort food. Different things I've started cooking during the pandemic. I love comfort food. So we got pizza, we got chicken, but while in Japan, we are going to learn a few things of comfort food. Japan's a wonderful place. It's a place where you can get wonderful, delicious foods, but sometimes you need comfort food. Today's food is fried chicken. First, you have to put the chicken in water to clean it out. You do this by hand until it's clear. Re-rinse the water. Then you dry the chicken. You can use a towel or you can use a cloth. Just make sure the chicken is dry. Next, we're going to get 3 eggs and mix them in. But first, we're just going to mix the eggs themselves. There you go. You can use about 3 eggs for about 8 pieces of chicken. Next, we're gonna mix the chicken with the eggs itself before we apply the batter. So mix it in there. Next, we're gonna apply the fried chicken batter, and then we'll mix it in by hand, and then dip it in the fry. There you go, mixing the chicken in. Just mix it in by hand and it'll be great. I use the same container that the chicken came in. You can use a bowl. And be careful, your hands are going to get a little greasy. Next, I put the chicken in the frying pan. Be careful, keep it at medium heat and make a good space. I put 5 in here. Next, after a few minutes, you're going to flip the chicken. You can see it after it's golden brown. It'll look really nice. And there you go. You will have your fried chicken and just put it to the side. It takes 2 or 3 minutes each side. But please check, each chicken is a little bit different. This is the fried mix I used, but you can use any that have that. Again, this is Ron from Canada, making comfort food for you. Please subscribe to my channel, and if there's any foods you like, please let us know. Have a great day. Maybe poutine next.